Yeah, let's continue. In this session, we are going to discuss PySpark job roles in real world. There are two kinds of jobs we can find in PySpark world. One is PySpark developer, and other one is PySpark data scientist or PySpark machine learning developer. So these kind of jobs we can find in real world. So PySpark developer, industry expects these knowledge. First, you must know PySpark core programming. You must know PySpark SQL. You must know Python. You must know SQL and PySpark streaming and PySpark integration with different services like RDBMS integration, cloud file system integration, cloud data warehouses integration. Industry expect these kind of knowledges for PySpark developer. If you are looking for PySpark data scientist, first you need to have PySpark developer knowledge. Then they are going to expect PySpark machine learning, PySpark graphics plus mathematics knowledge, stats knowledge, and machine learning algorithms knowledge, deep learning algorithms knowledge. We can say data science algorithms knowledge. So two kinds of jobs we can find in real world. PySpark developer, PySpark data scientist. PySpark developer, industry expects these concepts, knowledge and experience. PySpark data scientist, they expect these components or concepts, experience. You may think already data science or machine learning uh, industry using Python. Why industry go for why industry go for PySpark data scientist or PySpark machine learning developer? If you go Python, it is not distributed parallel processing, and your ML algorithms compared to machine learning with PySpark ML algorithms, both are not same. Concepts are same. Concepts are same. Data processing wise, if data is small, this is fast, this is also fast. If a data size going to increase, this will become slow, this will become super fast. So that's why industry go PySpark data scientist or PySpark ML developer. But this is a distributed, distributed plus parallel processing framework. Because of this distributed parallel processing framework, assume data science having hundreds of algorithms, hundreds of algorithms. For all hundreds of algorithms, we this distributed parallel processing may not suit, may not suit. So if you see PySpark ML algorithms, these are not these 100 algorithms. Whatever we can achieve using distributedness, those are presented in PySpark ML, not all these hundreds of algorithms. Okay, so so if your requirement, you can if your requirement within that ML algorithms, you can go with PySpark data scientist. So PySpark ML is not for all the machine learning algorithms because it is a distributed parallel processing. Distributed parallel processing not suitable for every problem. Okay. So industry, we can find these two kinds of jobs for PySpark developers, PySpark technology. So if you want to become ETL developer, this knowledge is more than enough. If you want to become data scientist, learn these components also. Okay.